Hello everyone! Add a ribbon to the top of the hair and then section out the front of the hair. Using the ribbon as one of the sections, make a braid out of the hair. This is what it should look like. Join it to the back and then make a braid out of it. Take the hair and make 3 sections on one of the sides. Braid the middle section. Now taking the other 2, make another braid on the bottom. Make 2 divisions at the top and then roll the hair in on itself. Do this for both of them. Now begin to braid one side of the hair. Using your fingers, loosen the strands of this braid. Roll it up and then insert it into the next rubber band as such. Add a decorative clip or a rubber band at the top. Using one part of it, begin to braid the hair. Use it as one of the sections of the braid. Add a decorative piece to the hair that is in the form of a thread but with beads. Using this as one of your sections, braid the rest of the hair. Tie a ponytail and then take a section of this ponytail. Add multiple rubber bands to it and make a heart shape out of it. Take a section of the hair from the front, add a rubber band to it and then roll the hair in on itself. Begin to braid the hair, and as you progress with the braid, include more and more sections from the rest of the scalp into this braid. Roll this braid upwards and tie it up. Take a section of the hair from the top and then pull the hair through. Begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections into it. This should look like a French braid. Add a clip once you're done. Start off by dividing one side of the hair into 2 parts. Make a ponytail at the top, make a small braid out of this ponytail. At the bottom, tie a rubber band in the middle, lift it up as such to make it look like a bow. Roll the braids upwards. Take a small section of the hair from the front and divide it, tie a rubber band to it, join them at the back as such. Do this with each of the sections and make a braid with the last one. Next, take a section off the front of the hair and then begin to braid it. Make a French braid out of it, that is, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Tie multiple rubber bands to the bottom once you are done rolling it up. Add a decorative ribbon to the hair. Using this ribbon as one of the sections, firstly start off by tying 2 ponytails around it. Make a braid out of the ribbon. Include this into the rest of the hair and make 2 braids. Tie a bow to each of the bottoms once you're done. Make 2 divisions on one of the sides of the scalp. Now roll the hair in on itself after joining it, tie a ponytail. Start off by combing the hair into place and then take a section from the front. Make a braid on one of the sides, tie a ponytail on the other. Begin to braid the hair, and as you progress with the braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Make 3 braids on either side of the scalp. Join the central ones together and then bend it forward, make it into a heart shape. As for the middle ones, join it once more in the center. Lift it up and make a heart shape yet again. As for the bottom one, just tie it up. Leave out a section of the hair in the front and then at the back tie a rubber band to it. Take very small portions of it and then begin to braid the hair as such. Include more and more sections of the hair into this braid as you progress from the side closer to the face. Make 2 ponytails at the bottom, crisscross your braids and then tie it up using a fancy decorative rubber band. Take a section of the top, tie a rubber band to it. Pull the hair through out accordingly. Begin to braid this hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections from the rest of the scalp into it. Tie multiple rubber bands to the bottom once you're done. Also bend it. Roll the braid upwards. Thank you for watching.